Hi there, today I will be showing you our improved implement tools and how to create a program. First, navigate to the Create tab under the Implement section. In here, you will be able to create different programs to repair your sidewalks. We currently have a hazard removal program, but more will be coming in the future. To create a hazard removal program, press Select. In here, you will see your identified hazards in your sidewalk network. You are able to filter and select a specific area that you want to address in this program. For the purpose of this demo, we will be looking at trip hazards. Once you've selected an area, you are able to review the first-person images of the trip hazard. You are able to open this image full screen and toggle the icon indicating the exact position of the trip hazard. Once you have selected and reviewed your program area, you are able to enter a name and add important notes for your team or other important stakeholders. You are also able to set a pricing effective as of date for the treatment types. And finally, you add your targeted completion date for this program. Press Create, and now you're in the stage to determine what treatment types should be used to address the sidewalk issue. We understand that different barriers require different solutions. So in this stage, you are able to choose between cold patch, grind, mudjacking, replace, sawcut, and other custom solutions that your team uses. You can also select no treatment for detected hazards that do not need to be addressed at this time. We've introduced the capability to add cost estimates to the treatment type. This way, as you are creating your program, you can build one that fits within your budgetary limits. Some other key features to mention at this stage is that you can change your scoring configuration. You can also sort the map by review status or feature type. The program automatically saves as you create it. However, we have a save draft button if needed. Once the program is finalized, you are able to activate it. Once activated, your program can be reviewed, exported, and shared with your team to start the sidewalk repairs. You are able to filter, review, and update repair status, and add additional notes or media as your project progresses. All of your programs can be found in the Programs tab. This includes all stages, but if you created programs with our previous Implement tool, please go to the Legacy Programs tab. Now you've officially created your first program. The last piece I want to show you today is how to customize your treatment types. Go to the Treatment Types tab. In here, you will be able to add new custom treatments, set the cost estimate, and edit for future programs. Thank you for joining me today. To get more details on how to use this for your upcoming project, reach out to us via our website and we'll set up a time to chat.